Hi everyone, Tracy here with CocoCon Essential Oils. Wanted to talk to you today about a really special essential oil called Helichrysum. It's also called Immortelle or Everlasting. So all three of those words are synonyms for Helichrysum. There are several species of Helichrysum that are made into essential oils and on the market. The most common is Helichrysum Italicum, and that is the one that I'm going to talk to you about today. It is just such an amazing oil, and one that everybody should have in their repertoire of oils. Aromatically, it has a sweet, herbaceous aroma with a gentle floral undertone, but it hangs out with you. It's a strong aroma. But it's mostly used for its therapeutic properties. So it's a really good oil, and probably most known for its um, wound, bruising, painful, soothing properties. So that's probably one of its star qualities. So if you have any bruising or wounds or painful situations, Helichrysum is a definite go-to essential oil. It's also really good for respiratory health, specifically for allergies and asthma. And a great way to use it for asthma and allergies is simply to get an essential oil necklace, and you can the ones that we have on our website are like this. You would just put like 5 drops of essential oil on the felt pad, and then as you're walking around, you're breathing it in. So it's all about using it consistently over time for that long-term benefit. Anything holistic or natural is that way. So that's one easy way. You could also just put a drop on a cotton ball, take long deep breaths, stick it in your pocket, take it out as needed. And then some other things that it's really good for are skincare. It's great to add to your face cream or your skincare products. Very good for sun damaged skin, aging skin. It's also good for people that are cold a lot. A lot of times when we get older, we're cold a lot. So Helichrysum is kind of an oil for soothing that. It's very good for stress and nervous tension. Again, it's about breathing it in consistently over time. You could put 1 drop in your bed sheets, like under your pillow, to help you at night to kind of de-stress, let go of that nervous tension from the day so that you can relax and have a better night's sleep. And it's also good for days when you're feeling blue, bummed out, you're going through maybe a hard time mentally. That would be a great go-to oil for a mental and emotional pick-me-up. And then last but not least, it's great for the third eye chakra. And the third eye chakra is our energetic center for intuition, helping us to connect intuitively. So that's one that you can use for your third eye chakra. So that being said, I wanted to do a blend with you today, show you how to make an oil with 5 different essential oils, including Helichrysum, in a tamanu oil base. And tamanu oil is also good for wounds and bruising. So this blend is going to be specifically for any bruising or wounds. Something great to have in the first aid cabinet, so you can pull that out when you need to use it. So first up, we're going to use tamanu oil. It's again also an amazing bruise, wound, painful situation carrier oil. So we're going to do 2 tablespoons of tamanu oil, or 1 ounce. Now we have 2 sizes at CocoCon. We have 4 ounces of tamanu oil, or we have the 1 ounce size, and the 1 ounce size you could just add your essential oil drops right into. So I'm going to show you how to do it as if you had a bigger size. So 2 tablespoons of tamanu oil. As you can see, it's a rich green color. It's got a kind of a strong curry-like aroma too. But really, you can also use it for any scarring. That's another way, and another thing that Helichrysum is good for as well. So we've got our 2 tablespoons or 1 ounce of tamanu oil, and then we're going to do 2 drops of elemi. Elemi is a resin oil like frankincense and myrrh. It's a great wound healing and soothing oil. So we're going to air bubble there. 2 drops of elemi. And next we will put in 5 drops of lavender. Could also use this for bug bites to calm itching and help soothe them. Copaiba. Copaiba is another resin oil like frankincense, myrrh, and elemi. Great for wound healing and painful situations. And we're going to do 3 drops of copaiba. Okay. And the great thing about doing several oils together in a blend is you get this synergistic effect. So it's the synergy of all of them together is greater than any one on its own. So it's more powerful that way. So that's why I always encourage people to blend your own either essential oils or oils in a carrier. So next we're going to do frankincense. Of course, you got to have frankincense, and we will do 5 drops of frankincense. And last but not least is our Helichrysum, and we're going to do 5 drops of Helichrysum. So this is like a total of 20 drops of essential oil and 1 ounce or 2 tablespoons of tamanu oil. It's like a 4% dilution, so it's a stronger dilution for that painful scenario. If you're using it for children, you want to cut the number of drops in half, so it's 10 drops total. So 5 drops Helichrysum. Okay, and then you can take a glass stir rod, or you can use, you know, like the end of a fork to stir it. You're going to put it in a 1 ounce container. And actually, if you just pour it right into the 1 ounce container, it'll mix the essential oils right in it, and then you can just cap it and shake it. I always recommend putting a date on what you make. So, you know, in a year or 2, you go, oh wow, how long have I had that? Maybe it's old and I need to replace it. That's good to do. And then also write down, you know, your recipes so that you have them for the future. When you fall in love with one, you know what you made. It's always a good thing. So thank you guys for watching, learning more about Helichrysum essential oil. On a final note, the one thing I did want to say about Helichrysum too is it is an expensive oil, and it's expensive because it takes so much plant material to get the essential oil out. So, you know, when you use it with great intention, and just definitely think about getting one and including it in your collection for bruising, asthma, allergies, all that good stuff we just talked about. So thank you for watching, and I will see you guys next time.